Turning your engine 32V18 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Power steering pump here, very nice, no damage. Same as well the alternator, no problem. Starter very good. On top from this side, all the sockets in good conditions, no damage, no broken. And diesel pump over here, all sockets in good conditions, didn't see any damages. Turbo, no problem, very nice, very good, clean. Compressor here nice, no damage, all sockets in good conditions. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no problem. And the engine is turning good.